In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new service request. Create a new service request anytime you need something repaired, fixed, or any type of service for your trucks. Click Add New Service Request. Select your truck. Choose what type of repair. And notice in the drop-down, you have different sections. You have Other. If you select Other, that'll let you enter manually what needs fixing. Under Maintenance Intervals, these are the scheduled maintenance intervals that you have set up in the system. So in this case, we have oil change set up. If I had more than one, it would show me all of them here. Under Common Repairs, by default, you'll always see tires, front brakes, and rear brakes. But you can go to the Common Repairs section and add as many as you like. You can create any type of repair in there. The purpose of the Common Repairs is to keep these names, the names of the repairs, uniform. That way it makes it easy to find when you're looking for them down the line. And it also saves you time in entering all the information. So let's say, in this case, I need to change some tires. I click Tires. Now it'll ask me which tires need replacing. And here's a little legend that shows you which one is which. DRF is driver front, PSF passenger front, etc. It has the full list here. So let's say I need to change the driver front tire and the driver side rear inner tire. Okay. If I have any specific brand that I prefer, I can enter the brand name in. Michelin, let's say. And if I'm requesting a retread, I can click the retread box. Notice how retread does not show up for the front tires, as that's not an option. Then I select which mechanic I'm requesting to do the work. I can also choose myself. In this case, I'm going to select Chris Love. If there's a due date, I need it done by a certain time, I can enter that in here. If there's any level of urgency, I can set the level of urgency in here. By default, it's set to medium. If this is something that FedEx requires me to do, I can select yes. For notifications, once I save this service request, I can have it automatically send a notification to my mechanic. In this case, it was Chris Love. It can send either a text message to his phone or an email message or both. That is set up in the settings section of the app. So right now, if I click yes, it'll send a message to my mechanic. Here I can enter any type of notes or any other information related to this repair. When I'm done, I hit Save Service Request. And that's it. You're all done. If you go to your service request page, you will see that service request that we just set up. If we had any others pending in the system, they would all show up here. That's it for this video.